execute double leaf, just take double leaf and turn face up like this. So this is double. Just take double leaf here, turn over again, and a little bit out jog. And this is the move. You grab these cards and secretly you just pull the back card like this, so they are separate. At the moment you just hold like this. Okay, so one more time. Double leaf, put it out jog, grab here, okay, separate, you just press with your thumb, separate and hold like this. So here, and from this position to do the chain, you just place the front card about here on your deck. Here you just tap and just move forward. You just drop the front card like this and continue the move. So again, double leaf, turn face down like this, out jog, grab, secretly separate and hold like this. So right now they are separate. There's a space right here, and you just tap right here, just move forward, let go, the front card will drop like this and you continue move forward. So here you just show and just do the chain. For that you just reveal and show the final card. One more time. Execute double leaf, turn it face down, a little bit out jog, grab and separate and hold like this. Okay, put here and just do the chain, move forward and reveal, and you are unclean with only one card. That's it.